Most people get this wrong. They assume FundX is just a quick cash advance app. The surprising truth in 2026 is that FundX has transformed into a multi-purpose financial platform offering early access to wages, installment payment options, and budgeting tools that help users manage money more effectively. Here's how it works. FundX lets you access a portion of your earned income before payday, often within hours. This can help cover unexpected bills, urgent repairs, or emergency expenses without turning to high-interest credit cards. Additionally, eligible purchases can be split into smaller payments, allowing for more predictable monthly budgeting. The app is clean and easy to navigate. You can track advances, view repayment schedules, and analyze spending patterns. Push notifications remind you when payments are due, which helps prevent fees and promotes good financial habits. The downside: overusing FundX can be costly. Frequent advances or missed payments may accumulate fees, so it's best treated as a short-term solution rather than a permanent financial strategy. Tips for responsible use: 1. Only request advances or installments you can realistically repay. 2. Enable notifications to stay on top of repayment dates. 3. Maintain a small emergency fund to minimize reliance on the app. Who benefits most? Users with steady income who occasionally need short-term cash or want help managing larger purchases. People with irregular income or weak repayment habits may find fees outweigh the convenience. In conclusion, FundX in 2026 is a practical financial tool if used wisely. Plan repayments, track spending, and treat it as a short-term aid. Subscribe for honest app reviews and money tips to stay in control of your finances.